Barangay Palos Post, Urbistondo, Pangasinan, ito na yung request mo idol, at sa mga di pa na shout dyan comment name sa baba at pa-share na din para mapansin natin, shoutout na din sa mga taga Palos Post.
Tell me why there is sadness in your eyes. I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion as we try to forget, but there's something left in my head. You're the one who set it up, you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said.